The roof protects against the elements, safeguarding your home from potential damage. But just like anything else, it ages, impacting its condition. Here's how your house's age can impact your roof. Material breakdown. Exposure to weather can weaken roofing materials, leading to leaks and structural issues. Style and design. Outdated roofing styles in older homes might be less efficient, causing faster wear and tear. Maintenance history. Neglecting roof maintenance accelerates its decline. Early detection of roof problems is key. Watch out for these warning signs. Sagging areas. Check for any drooping sections on your roof. Damaged shingles. Keep an eye out for curling, cracking, or missing shingles. Interior water damage. Look for leaks or water damage inside your home. Moss and mold growth. Notice any moss, mold, or fungi on your roof. Higher energy bills. Insufficient insulation can lead to increased energy costs. On average, asphalt shingle roofs last about 20 years, while metal or tile roofs can endure up to 50 years. Environmental factors and maintenance play a role too. If your roof is nearing these milestones or showing warning signs, it's time for a professional inspection. Consider a professional inspection from Sure Thing Roofing Contractor for a thorough roof assessment.